Well, look what we got in the shop. A little Farm Raider. Anyways, we're doing some work on it tonight. I started this afternoon for a little bit, working on it. And I'm going to put the ROPS back on. Altered, of course. And because I'll be trading it off pretty soon for the new tractor I'm getting. Probably sometime in the month here, or October. So anyways, I got to sharpen the blades on this thing here. Because I mow the grass. I found that last time when I was mowing the grass, I wasn't really mowing that well, so I suspect I sharpened the blades on it. Anyways, I'm putting the pivot point on from this which I had cut originally. Putting it back on here. Of course, I have to rig it up so it goes on there like that. So anyways, I gotta scuff everything down and paint it back to gray, whatever it was. Make it look decent. But this is something I'm going to be doing on the newer tractor. I've talked about this before in other videos. The pivot point is too high on the tractors, right? This pivot point for the romp should be down lower, down here. And I'll be doing that on the newer tractor. I'll be just moving this pivot point here down near the fender. Reason being is, for me in the orchard, I can't have the romps up because they hit the trees. The trees have the canopy is quite low way, especially on peaches. It's a low canopy. So with the higher romps of this, right, if you have a lower branch or something, you're weed spraying or mowing grass, it'll catch it, break the branch. You could hurt yourself, end up with a concussion, and fall off tractor, get mowed, or who knows what. So it's dangerous. So on the newer tractor, you know, it's a lot higher, and these have to be changed, and not touch the roll bar itself. I just need to lower the pivot point. So if I want to take the romps off, take the roll bar off, then I just take the pin out and take it off. And if I want a job rotavating or disking or whatever it is, backhoeing, whatever I'm doing, it's easy to put the roll bar back on. So I don't know why Kubota did that, having this pivot point so high. But if it's up here, it's stupid. But maybe not a lot of guys use these tractors in orchards, and this is, you know, it's awesome. But I'd keep it, but I need the more horsepower and heavier tractor for the backhoe. I use my little backhoe in this, but it's not correct. I want it, you know, if I had been thinking when I bought it, I could have bought the package with the backhoe and everything. I just don't want to go in reverse and get the attachment. Better for me to trade it in and get exactly what I want. But I should have got right from day one. So it is what it is. You know, like when we get a new tractor, we'll cross different things. But anyways, tonight I'm going to be putting these back on. Got this side welded in. I'm working on that one right now, and put them in. So here are the romps mounted. Here are the romps mounted. When I cut them, I guess I didn't cut them straight, so can't do much about it. That's the way it is right now. So anyways, they're bolted on there. They're good to go. I gotta put the pin in here. Put this in here, and that'll be there. So don't look too closely. So, anyways, like I said, in my opinion, my honest opinion, this pivot point should be down here. Right down here, so it's easy to do whatever you want. But originally this would have been up here, right? So it's still better than it was. But I mean, you know, on orchard tractors, some of the other old orchard tractors, the roll bar is right down here, right behind the seat. Not high enough, but you know, whatever. And other ones are in the front, which would be, we see it on Antonio Carrero or any other low profile tractor, you'd see that. But anyways, here, it's right there, so it's not perfect, but it'll make the dealer a little bit happier. So we finally got the romp brackets back on. I got the lights on, lights on, everything's all ready to go. So yeah, I know it's not perfect, it's probably not correct, but it is what it is. So today I'm gonna get some paint, I'm gonna touch them up a bit and go from there. I was reading somewhere earlier that I guess the dealership, what they'll do for safety reasons, what they're gonna do, they'll probably discount the cost of the romps, and those probably end up putting new romps on it for safety reasons. But it is what it is. I guess if I really wanted to, I could pay out of my own pocket and get put a new romp on. But the dealership's probably gonna ding me, whatever it is, to put new romps on it, and that's okay. So whatever. At least it'll be on there, and they can deal with that. So, but yeah. So that's that there. Hopefully, I have my new tractor probably at the end of the month here, and that should be cool. It'd be quite a bit bigger. I think the L series probably be up around here, the fenders. So probably won't be squeezing through the trees like I have been with this thing. So looks a little better, but I'm still concerned that those pivot points are going to catch on the trees maybe later. So I got to mow probably later today or tomorrow or next week. So anyways, just food for thought. If you decide to do what I did here, remember that when you decide to trade your tractor in someday, and they'll probably end up digging you the cost of new romps when you trade the tractor in for safety reasons, right? It's something to consider. So anyways, I didn't consider that when I did that, chopped them, but it is what it is. So anyways, alright guys, got more stuff to do today, and I'll bring you back when I got some more stuff, more content. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye for now.